morning, everyone. Welcome to AI Week 2024. It's great to see you all here with us today, including our international guests during these difficult times. We are so excited to explore together the incredible advancements in AI. But before we begin, I must mention that during these very difficult times, the hostages are never far from our thoughts and prayers, and we hope they will all return home soon safely. I'm so grateful for our resilient country and people, and that we are able to come together against all odds to celebrate who we are as a nation today. In the next 2 days, you will hear from leaders from academia and industry on some of the latest developments in the field. I would like to take the opportunity to share our gratitude for our partners from TAD, Dr. Moni Shachar and Professor Meir Feder, and also to our friends from the Innovation Authority, Dror Bin, Ziv Katzir, Michael Reisfeld, and Noah Weiser-Shabtai. Furthermore, a big thank you to Mafat and Danny Gold, and to all our friends at the INCD. Thank you so much. A special thanks to our partners and sponsors for helping us make this event possible. I would like to give a giant thanks to our amazing Girl Power Dream Team, who are responsible for today's event, as well as Cyber Week. Your optimism and dedication is truly inspiring. Thank you, Revital, Roni, Dania, Karina, Louise, Diti, Rotem, Liat, Shira, Loren, Liana, and all our interns. Again, I'm so happy that you're all here today. We have a full agenda for you this week, and you don't want to miss out our special session this afternoon, The Future of Creativity in the Age of Generative AI. And now, I would like to call up to the stage Major General Professor Isaac Ben Israel, the chairman of AI Week. I wish us all an enjoyable AI Week. Thank you.
Good morning. This is not a normal year, as we all know, and we have a kind of war, and therefore I respect everyone who overcame all the worries and came here to participate in this week, in which we have 2 conferences in parallel, the Cyber Week and the AI Week, which starts now. So thank you very much. And next year, I hope we will not pose problems like this before our guests, and I hope to see you again and again. The one coming to think about it, there is some logic behind the unification, in a way, the merge of 2 different topics like AI and cyber at the same time. It's not exactly the same conference done in different halls here at the campus, but at the same time, because the overlap between AI and cyber security is growing all the time. AI is much larger, has a potential of much more applications than cybersecurity, but the use of AI algorithms in protecting our systems and the emerging use of AI algorithms against our protection systems, that's what we call AI vs. AI, cause an increase of the overlap between the 2. And more fundamentally, the more AI we use, not connected at all to cybersecurity, let's say algorithms that will help us improve our healthcare in hospitals, etc., the more AI we use, the more dependent we become on computers and communication between computers, and therefore the more vulnerable we become in principle to cyber attacks. So the growth of AI is bringing with it a necessary growth in cybersecurity technology. Looking at you, I think I will write a new paper. This is, you know, I think we started doing conferences like this some 15 years ago or 14 years ago. And I can generalize from this and say that normally in any other normal country in the world, when you write down that an event is starting, let's say, at 9 o'clock, people come a few minutes before 9 o'clock. In Israel, it's the opposite, part of startup culture. If it starts in 9 o'clock, that means we don't have to be before 9 o'clock because there will be nothing to hear. So I'm thinking about writing a new paper, and I can call you and tell you from my experience that in half an hour or so, you see this hall full of people interested in AI. Thank you very much for coming. And I think the next one is Professor Meir Feder. Okay. Jacob, you'll call whoever. Thank you very much, and see you next year as well.
Thank you very much, Professor Ben Israel. Thank you.